Vidyasadan. This is class 9, right? Wait, I think parents is quite less. Why? I think this due to change in climate, people are being sick frequently, right? So, and whenever we come to our science lab, it's better to manage gloves, okay? I have got gloves. Do you also have got?
Yes.
Please wear. So that harmful chemicals, they do not enter inside our hands and there won't be any problem later on. That's why you have seen no doctors just using such type of gloves. So that one saying was that prevention is better than cure. Prevention is better than cure. In laboratory we have to use different type of chemicals. So those chemicals may be harmful. Most of the chemicals are not suitable for our body, which are used in this lab. Like there are acids, there are bases, there are salts, right? It became opposite, so I just get it. How would it like this? Thumb gone to Kuche finger gone to thumb, then how would it? That's why I was confused. Why it's not fitted? Did you fit swimming?
Yes, sir.
What? If you see a schedule, you? No, everybody will get chance to do the experiment, that's why we are doing it. It's okay now? See? Done or not? And children, so in today's class, what are we going to do? You are going to observe uh, the cells by using compound microscope. What is microscope? Compound microscope. It is here. Okay, compound microscope is here. Then listen now. Yes, here also it's okay. There are the things. There are the things. Okay, so for that we need, what do we need? A little bit water, and yet this is called petri dish. What is this? So here we can keep some water, and what can be done? Here is onion, and we need one knife. We have a simple knife. So it is a bit old one. It contains dead cells, so we cannot see dead cells. And next important thing is we should not make the practical room dirty. So after completion of our practical, what we have to do? We have to clean it. So let me cut it. Quite old. This knife is not so much good. I think it can be used later. Okay. This old peels you take out, and here is very thin membrane. This can be seen in between them. Yes. You can notice here. Hello. Can you see our thin membrane? Oh. Let me keep here. This is also we can take out. And if it is kept in petri dish, and it becomes a bit flat, but we have to use. Here are many more devices in this dissection box. If the portion became a bit bigger one, simply what can we do? We can cut. For cutting we have got specially designed scissors. Yes or no? I saw somewhere else forceps. Well, no, there. Forceps, cats, small portion we can make, because cells are very small in size. If you take big portion, then it will be difficult to focus also. Practical must be done with sincerity. If you are sincere, then you can get the result easily. If you are not sincere, if you just distract your mind, divert your mind, then it's not possible. I'm just making these into small pieces so that it can be kept in one thing. What is it called? It's called slide. What is it? Slide. So here you can see one slide. In this slide, it's already here protozoa. What is here? Protozoa. Means if already something is kept, it is called permanent slide. What is it? Permanent slide. So here is slide without anything. Yes sir. So what is it called? Do you know? Temporary slide. In temporary slide, we can keep the thing what we want to observe. Like some, if you are sick, at the time what do? You go to visit the doctor, and doctor may ask you to get your different parts, different things tested, like urine test, stool test, blood test, do they say or not? So for that, you will give small amount of those things as sample. Those samples are kept in temporary slide, and they just look at through the microscope and find out the result. Yes or no? So temporary slide is like this. Now let me keep some peels of this onion, this one, and we have to make it a bit flat so that it will be clear. One I have kept over here, right? I have kept here two microscopes. One is for one student, next for next student. And next also I'll just keep here. Afterwards, I'll call you and please come and do the experiment, okay? Are you ready? Are you ready or not? They seem as if the only teacher is speaking, or the servant is speaking, so you have to fix it. And children, listen, right? What happens? Okay, let's keep a bit so we can move it up and down. Yes, sir. It is called adjuster, and this is fine adjuster. It makes it more clear. It moves up and down. And here are three lenses. Its capacity is 15x. 15 times it increases. This how much? 10x, and this is how much? 40x. So by the multiplication of this lens and this, the total magnification can be noticed. I mean, if here is 10 and here is 20, so 10, 20 is how much? 10, 20 is 200. So the object will be multiplied how many times? 200 times. If here is 10 and here is 50, then 500 times. Okay. So accordingly you have to do. But main thing is light must be reflected. Light must be reflected and come over here. Now let me see whether it has come or not. So this adjuster is here. There we can see here whether light has come or not. Now you go down, must go this side. Go down, you can keep up with this side, you mark it, yes, in this way. Aha! I saw the sales of onion. I saw the sales of onion. Now, will you come here? We'll check whether you also can see or not. But later on, I'll just give you to focus yourself and so this will say. Are they sales?
Yes.
Yes or no? Yes?
Yes, sir.
So, plant cells, they are um, having cell wall at the outermost part, right? So, are there many cells or only one cell? Many cells are there. See? Okay, these are plant cells. Now, what do? I'll just move like this and change the position like this. So, who want to show the cells? Focus and so you want to do first? You do. Here also I'll try and call next student, okay? Uh, Even it is a bit more expensive than that because you can move forward and that backward. Here also we have to see for focusing. Here must be one lens, there must be one lens. If you do like this, then there will be no focusing because we have learned light travels in straight line. Light is traveling in straight line, going down and bending, isn't it? So what you do? Check whether we have to see. First of all, we have to make like this. We can move the back also. Okay. We can go slowly down. Yes. Please, students, don't talk. We can move right like this also. You can see cells. And if you move like this, it will be left, right. All right. Who wants to show the cells? So, okay, I'll just take. One of you come here. Come, Badal, come. You do have gloves? Come. Okay, Badal. For Badal, I'll just show. Later on, it is his duty to focus it. So, what are you keep this side. The turn will come. Turn will come. The turn. Okay, I'll see. First, his turn. Look at here. Are there cells or not? Did you see or not? Just saying yes, it doesn't matter, no? There was something you saw. Are there? Yes. Yes. Let me look at it. Look at them now. Are there? Yes. Now what do? I'll change this. Okay. Now I'll just move it up and down also. Now focus and so on. Okay, did you focus all? Let me see. So just try. At first, the lenses must be in straight line number 1. Then move that adjuster up and down. Then try to focus. Okay, you are saying okay, yes sir, but not possible.
Just a movement.
Okay, try. So you can move that adjuster up and down. No, what are you? You just look at there and do. It is just like Kalidas. No, you have heard about Kalidas story. Kalidas was sitting in the part of the branch and cutting that part attached with the tree. You also doing same thing. Stay this side and try. It is possible. You have to stay this side, that side and do. Yes or no? Please. Okay. Let me check. No, I will not check. Your friend will check. Where your gloves? You come here. Gloves will come. Oh, you see that? You don't have. You have, but you. Okay, next image. You must have one gloves. Right? It's not so much expensive, just 10 rupees extra. You can buy down. If you go in that medical shop, I think they will charge 15 rupees or 20 rupees, right? 15 rupees. But here, 10 rupees. Okay, let me check. Now see. Become more bright or not? I mean, there must be proper reflection of light to see those things. Understood? And we cannot, okay, I think if there is one needle, we can take little amount of blood and check also, right? Yes. You can see that black?
Yes.
That black is the nucleus. What is that? Nucleus. Why don't you come here? Okay, come one by one. Okay, see. Someone did? What are you doing?
No light coming.
Please come this side and do. I just said staying this side and doing means how will it come? You have to come this side. Then you have to check. Is that is a line? Now you move up and down. Brother, here, your thing is here. Why you do look at that side? You have to do practical yourself. Understood or not? Now did you see some cells? Have they come or not? And when you are doing, where have they gone? Toilet. You must try yourself. You are future scientists. You are future researchers. If not tried, then how is it possible? Done? Yes, done like that. Will you check? Next, Bira, come and check. See? Okay, you can move that adjuster up and down. And you can change the position of lens. You can use another lens and do also. It doesn't mean that you have to use same lenses. Upper, we cannot change, but down we can change. Focus. One by one, see, and then go. Okay? One thing remember, this lens, it is called eyepiece. What is it? Why is it called eyepiece? Because it is near to eye. The lens that is near to eye is called eyepiece. The lens which is near to object is called objective. There must be two lenses. Have you checked? She is using two lenses. One her glass lens, another that eyepiece. What is this? That's why there was one song. Darling, aako se aake taar karne. Oh, no. If it could not be focused, then try again. Because you have to try. Anup, come and try yourself. Now, it's not that you focus yourself. Now you focus. Let him focus. Then focus. David, you come. Now Bishan's duty. Here Bishan will do. You must try. Okay. Make that pause and then yeah. Not seen?
You've seen something white and again.
Okay, white. Want to check whether right or wrong. Sulabh, come and check. Because this is the time to learn. This is the time to. Nobody is expert, right? Understood or not? We learn by doing mistake. There will be mistake, correction, perfect. Then if that lens is not working, then rotate the down one and get another lens. Here are 3D lenses. No, you be still that sincere way. Just you can move like this also. See, another is here. If it doesn't show, then like this. Learn. So this is the time to learn. This is the stage to learn. Right? Understood or not? Don't hesitate. What are you doing? He's checking. Okay now? Here. Let me see. What did you see? It's not here. Then you were not able to focus. You were not able to focus. Will you come and check now? That's why this adjuster, we have to move up and down. And then to make it more clearer, we have to use fine adjuster. Has it come or not? No, see.
See?
You just move this adjuster up and down. The adjuster is this one, this adjuster. Move up and down. Now it's not visible, isn't it? Now change the position of lens and try. Yeah. Then first of all you do one thing, you move it up and try using this one. Okay. You have to try, everybody. Don't hesitate. David, have you tried?
Yes, already.
Aryan, have you tried? You also will come here. Susna, have you tried?
No.
Come here. Okay, he has done this. Okay, let me see. You have to run now. What is he here? There is nothing. What is he here? Now let me show you. There is nothing.
What?
It is called adjuster. It is called fine adjuster. Now see. My goodness. These cells are more clear. Will you check one? Look at this. Yeah, no. More clear means they are magnified more. Check. They are magnified more. But you come one by one now. Don't stay that side. Come. Come and see. You see. Just observe those cells. Now observe these cells. Right. One line. Just make line and come. Yeah. Don't let me see. No. Hello. Anisha. In line. Go that. That's right. Let me see. Yes.
Bishan, you
Go and
want
see
to
those
join?
cells. Have you seen?
Come on,
Check.
join.
No, check those cells. And just observe those cells. Now those cells are magnified more than this one. The magnification is more. Check there. Okay? Seen or not, brother? Or in confusion? No problem. I think sometimes may not be seen and we say yes. Seen? Let me see. Here, these cells are more clearer. They are magnified more. You can see color also, right? Can you see a color or not? Check. Can you see the different colors there?
Yes,
There is purple color, this, that. Well, here practical. That thing you can see later on also. Yeah. These cells are magnified more. See?
Yes.
So, just let me see whether more internal parts can be seen or not.
Light.
Oh, somebody has blocked. From the old block. I think from the side. You can see that black portion. That black portion is silver. You see there. Why you want to play with that skeleton? Look at the nose. How long is nose there? What happened?
Already light check.
If you stay this side, then how light will reflect? David, go and check. You do. Look at those sides, then this also. You learn how to adjust, right? That is important. Yeah. Future scientists are here. Yes. So there must be reflection of light. Right? Hello, who is talking there? Are they observing? Oh. If I block the light, then it cannot see easily. Then seen? Yes or no?
Yes.
So in that way, anything, whatever you want to notice, you can find out. But these microscopes are not so much powerful. Other microscope, like you might have heard, electron microscope. Electron microscope is the most powerful microscope. It can show every part in detail. Has everybody seen?
No.
Or not seen? Okay, just see. Bishan, have you seen? Let them see. Yeah, clear? Yes or no? If you have seen, please go to your own seat. So which microscope give more clear image? That one. That means that these microscopes magnification is more. Yes or no? Right? So today this much. And after completing the experiment, we have to make the table neat and clean, place neat and clean, extra. Okay.